Imagine for a moment feeling the zest and energy of a 20-year-old, even though your actual age might read differently on your passport. It's an exhilarating idea, isn't it? But you might be thinking, that sounds great, but I'm just getting older. Isn't that just part of life? Well, yes and no. This is where things get interesting. The culprit behind this decline isn't just the passage of time. It's something known as Advanced Amino Formula. It's a fancy term for the age-related loss of muscle mass and strength. Picture it as a sneaky thief, silently stealing away your strength, your energy, your vitality. But here's the twist. This sneaky thief isn't invincible. You can fight back. Advanced Amino Formula is not an inevitable part of aging. It's preventable and even reversible. And the weapons you need to fight back are all natural and completely within your control. First, picture your body as a fortress. The stronger the foundation, the stronger the fortress. In this case, your bones are the foundation. Keeping them healthy and dense is essential to prevent injuries and to support your muscles. Next, imagine a fountain of youth. But instead of magical water, it's filled with nutrition that keeps your skin glowing and your hair healthy from the inside out. Now think of yourself as an energy machine. You can boost your endurance and feel amazing all day long. No more fatigue dragging you down. And finally, staying active and safe is key. By preventing falls and injuries, you can maintain your independence and keep doing the activities you love. This isn't just about looking good, it's about feeling your best, about reclaiming your youthful vigor and living life to the fullest. So, don't wait any longer. Stick around to learn how to put these anti-aging strategies into action. And while you're at it, smash that like button and subscribe for more healthy lifestyle hacks. You have the power to fight back against Advanced Amino Formula and slow down aging. Now, it's time to wield that power.